Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and today's video I'm gonna show you my top 3 AI crypto picks which I think will be massive in the next AI crypto rally. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know on why they're bullish and also why I believe in them. So let's not talk too much and get straight to the point with the first token of today's list. So the first token of today's list is Cortex token CTXC. Currently sitting at a price around 30 cents with a market cap of only 63 million and a fully diluted of only 90 million. So we're talking about a micro crypto almost, guys. If we take a look at the all-time charts really quick, we can see that this token actually launched in the last bull run, I mean 2 bull runs before, in 2018 at like 84 cents and went all the way up to like $2.30, which would be a 7x from here. In the last bull run though, in 2021, it only got to 86 cents, which would only be a 2.5x. But in the last 3 months, we saw a nice uprise from 8 cents to now 30 cents. And look at the climb, it's pumping right now. And there is a reason why it's pumping, and I'm gonna tell you right now. So basically, what is Cortex? Cortex is the first decentralized world computer capable of running AI and AI-powered decentralized applications on the blockchain. So the Cortex virtual machine is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible with added support for on-chain AI in reference. So basically it utilizes the GPU instead of the CPU to execute non-trivial AI models on the Cortex chain. Basically what this means is that Cortex will add machine learning support to smart contracts and decentralized applications to adapt to real-world use cases of AI. So basically, developers can use the power of language solidity and offer the shelf of AI models on the Cortex storage layer to create AI-enhanced decentralized application and smart contracts. So I'm gonna show you real quick in a video what this basically means for the coin.
Let's say Johnny has trained an AI model for facial recognition. He submits it to the Cortex storage layer. Meanwhile, Amy, who is writing a decentralized payment app, can use this model in her app to verify users, and she pays Johnny and CTXC each time the model is used. Such an infrastructure will rebuild the AI on blockchain ecosystem in a big way. dApp developers pay and sustain AI developers, while AI developers are incentivized to provide more quality AI models to dApp developers, creating an ecosystem that leads to the evolution of better and better AI models.
So what we just saw here, that's basically what the utility of Cortex is, that it will pay developers AI by developers of decentralized applications. So these AI developers will get money in the coins of CTXC and they will start making better AIs because they're getting money. They're using also the information they're getting from the decentralized applications to even update AI. So basically the utility of Cortex will be revolutionary in the AI development, where AI developers meet decentralized application developers, which will be so big and needed because now it's not that easy to find these AIs, but with Cortex it will. So that's why I think Cortex will be very bullish. It will be needed for the AI revolution, and their motto and vision is really impressive for such a low market cap. Also, we can see the community has 54,000 followers. It's at CTXT blockchain. It's the first decentralized computer capable of running AI. They tweet a lot, they improve a lot, guys. They're keeping the community up to date and they're just implementing and improving. Like when AI kicks in, it's not if but when. Look at Cortex, small market cap, great utility. It has one of the biggest potentials in my opinion. And now let's get on with the second token of today's list. So the second token of today's list, I make a lot of videos about. It's one of my favorite, render token RNDR, currently sitting on the price around $1.84 with a market cap of only 466 million and a full loot of 985 million. If we take a look at the all-time charts, guys, we can see that this token is from early 2020, launching at a 5.6 cents. So still, we're talking in 3 years, people who were early in render still made a 30x return. So that's really impressive. 3 years, it survived one bull market, it's now in a bear market and still 30x. In the bull market it went all the way to $8, but look at the volume. It was at 130 million. Look at the volume in the last 3 months, over the bull run volume. So this coin will have great potential, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now why. So basically, what is render token? It's distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. What this basically means is that it's the first network to transfer the power of GPU into a decentralized economy, where someone who needs a rendering job, who doesn't have the computer power, doesn't want to spend $10,000s on great graphic cards, submits a job. Then this job will be set in smart contract and it will be sent to a node operator who has the GPU power, who can do it. When he done the rendering job, he'll get paid in render tokens and the job will be sent to the requester. How good is it, you think? Well, here's a straight example of rendering with render network. A rendering job which would take 1500 minutes on MacBook normally only took 15 minutes on Octane render. So 100x. So this guy basically saved 24 hours and 45 minutes and only paid $2.50. Like, so much time saved is incredible. And you might be thinking, what does this has to do with AI? Well, in the development and training of the OpenAI ChatGPT, it had to run 10,000 NVIDIA training GPUs for the potential of thousands of more to get it running. So major companies and chip makers like NVIDIA, AMD, Intel and Gordon are releasing new hardware and software to support learning workloads, because AI will need 10, 100,000, millions of GPU to actually get developed, get set up. And what will solve this problem? Render, because it's distributed GPU rendering. So if you believe in AI, I believe in AI, you should take a look at render, because I massively believe in them. So let's check out the community. 76,000 followers. It's rendering to the metaverse, but it's actually carrying the AI future as well, which should be mentioned here. So they're tweeting a lot, showing how good they are, showing how many partnerships they're doing. They're keeping everyone up, and I think render is a great AI crypto to look at. And now let's get on with the final token of today's list. So the last token of today's video is SingularityNet EDGX, currently sitting on a price around 42 cents with a market cap of 500 million and a fully diluted of 843 million. If we take a look at the charts, we can see that this token actually launched in like 2019 February at $1.49, which would still be a 3.5x from this point, and then went all the way down. In the last bull market, it went all the way to like 57 cents, which is basically already happening now in a bear market. Because if you take a look at the last 3 months, with the AI hype, it went on a massive run from 4 cents to 40 cents, so exactly a 10x, peaking at 65 cents, which I think is even an all-time high. But why is SingularityNet so big, and why will it lead in the next AI rally? So basically, SingularityNet is the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on blockchain, with their core mission being the development of artificial and general intelligence (AG) for a beneficial technology. So basically, it's decentralized, it's decentralization of AI AI through emerging blockchain technology, creating a fair distribution of the power, value and technology in global commons. What they mean by this is basically they're building this great marketplace where people can sell their AIs, like their open written scripts of AIs. So SingularityNet is thereby also bootstrapping an ecosystem of organization that will fuel the platform with AI services and create massive utilization for the EGX token. So the EGX token is basically the token where if you want to find open AI scripts and AI scripts, can buy them with the EGX token, because the internet is so big and you might not be able to find the right script that you want, and you can thereby buy it on the SingularityNet marketplace. So basically what SingularityNet is doing is providing people who have the knowledge to write AI scripts and bringing them together to the people who want to get these AI scripts for their product, for their business, for their innovation, but cannot find it on the internet, don't know where to search, and SingularityNet marketplace will connect them both. And I think with this, with the open AI coming up and running as well in the next bull run, I think a lot of people will have to use this marketplace to find the right product. It's kind of a little bit like Cortex, so they will have to battle it out, but they both have great opportunities in my opinion. So let's check out the community. Almost 100,000 followers. It's world leading decentralized AI marketplace running on the blockchain. They just want the development of AGI. They tweet every day. They keep up with their community, multiple tweets a day, showing you what is possible, showing you what they have done, guys. So they're doing great things of the development of AI. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe for my channel for more crypto content. Also click on the screen right now to find the best passive crypto income which will work in a bull run and a bear market. So yeah guys, just like and subscribe, and YouTube. Till next time.